Welcome to Peppy Pillars. Bubbly brains, lively leaps.
Hello, kids. Let's learn the names of vegetables. Ready? Here we go. Tomato, tomato. Red, round, and juicy tomato. Onion, onion. Makes food tasty. It's an onion. Potato, potato. We can mash it, fry it, or bake it. Potato. Radish, radish. White and crunchy radish. Carrot, carrot. Orange and sweet, it's a carrot. Cauliflower, cauliflower. White like a flower, cauliflower. Broccoli, broccoli. Looks like a tiny tree, broccoli. Green cabbage, green cabbage. Round and leafy green cabbage. Red cabbage, red cabbage. Purple and crunchy red cabbage. Chinese cabbage, Chinese cabbage. Soft and long Chinese cabbage. Spinach, spinach. Leafy and green spinach. Green beans, green beans. Long and crunchy green beans. Capsicum, capsicum. Red, yellow, green capsicum. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Big and orange pumpkin. Turnip, turnip. Round and purple on top, turnip. Beetroot, beetroot. Red and juicy beetroot. Peas, peas. Tiny and round peas. Eggplant, eggplant. Shiny and purple eggplant. Okra, okra. Green and pointy okra. And some call it ladyfinger. Corn, corn. Yellow and sweet corn. Ginger, ginger. Brown and spicy ginger. Garlic, garlic. White and strong smelling garlic. Zucchini, zucchini. Green and soft zucchini. Celery, celery. Crunchy and green celery. Lettuce, lettuce. Soft and leafy lettuce. Cucumber, cucumber. Cool and crunchy cucumber. Sweet potato, sweet potato. Brown outside, orange inside sweet potato. Spring onion, spring onion. Green and fresh spring onion. Mushroom, mushroom. Soft and round with a tiny hat, mushroom. Asparagus, asparagus. Little green spears, asparagus. That was fun. Now you know the names of vegetables. Come back anytime to learn more. Thanks for learning with us. See you again soon. Bye-bye.